Hi, Professor. I'm here to show you me and my teammates' project for application domain in 2025. We called it FinKen 2.0. This is our financial management system. This is the landing page, or this is the sign-in page for it. If you click this right here, you can view some test user credentials. So I'll show you the admin view first. So if we just sign in with that, as you can see, we have the journalized chart of accounts, event logs, 4 different reports, and then some admin utilities that are unique to the admin. So as you can see, there are 3 journal entries awaiting approval. Here are some ratios, and we can view registration requests. So as you can see, there is 1 registration request pending. We can either approve or reject the request. I'm just going to approve it and make him an administrator. I'm going to approve that right there. And as you can see, it's updated. And then you can use that user to log in on the main page. From the users tab in the admin utilities, you can view all the users. You can edit the user information for them. You can send them an email. You can suspend the user, and you can also deactivate the user. So you can suspend them for a set length of time, and they won't be able to log in once they're disabled. I already showed you the registrations page. You can sort by approved and rejected, and then there's an expiring passwords page, which displays how long until each user's password expires, and then you can send an email reminder that tells them that their password is about to expire, or how long until it expires. Let's see. I think that is everything that is unique to the admin. So let's switch over to an accountant. So from the accountant view, as you can see, there's less pop-ups for them. From the journalized page here, you can create a new journal entry, as well as send an email to any admin or manager. And as you can see, there's already 3 pending journal entries from this user, and so because I created this journal entry, I can edit it or delete it from here, but I can't approve it. So let's say I wanted to debit cash and credit supplies, for example. As you can see, it'll automatically update if the balance is not correct, so it'll only let you submit journal entries that have an equal credit and debit. You can also add multiple debit or credit lines, and as you can see, it'll continue to update as you add more accounts. You can also add files. So for an example, let's just add our Gantt chart and create that entry. And just like that, it shows up. But again, we cannot approve them. You cannot approve them as an accountant. So I'll show you the approval process right after this. You can also filter by approved entries, rejected, and pending entries, just for easy access. You You can sort by date, search entries, all that good stuff. So let me show you the approval process as a manager. So here you can see it pops up with 4 journal entries awaiting approval. And from here you can view the entries that are that need approval. So I can check out this, I can view the document, and then I can reject or approve the journal entry. So I'm just going to reject these, and then it requires you to enter a reason. I'm just going to say irrelevant document. And then once it is rejected, it won't affect, obviously, it won't affect any of these accounts. And so that brings us to the chart of accounts feature. So from here, you can view individual accounts and view each journal entry that affected that account. You can view at the bottom the final balance, the total credits and debits, and the total entries. And then you can also click on each of these and it takes you to that specific journal entry. As you can see, here's the 10,000 that was debited from cash. If we go back, and each of these is ordered in order of liquidity, and you can filter by subtype, regular type, highest to lowest balance, debit or credit, normal side, and as a manager, you cannot create a new account, but as an admin, you can. So I will show you that right now. So from here, as you can see, now we have the create account option available to us, and we can create one just like this. Let's just keep that, and statement type, income statement, and we'll make it an asset. And yep, should be good. And it will automatically be created at the end of the list because it automatically just says that the liquidity is or the order, it just makes it the order at the end by default. And obviously there's nothing in here right now, but that's how you would create an account. Now, if I was to create an account for a number that already existed, let's see what would happen. Account number 1000 already exists, and so it'll block that. There's also an event logs page. So from here, you can see all of the changes that have happened to the chart of accounts. So as you can see, I just created a new chart of accounts, a new chart in the chart of accounts. And so you can see all the values for what I inputted for that. And here's another example of an update to the chart of accounts that happened a very long time ago. And as you can see, the balance was adjusted for that account. Here's another example of an account that was created. And there's also a journal logs tab in which you can see there was a journal entry that was rejected. This one right here was rejected. This one was created. This one was also, these were all created. And then there's also a user logs tab in which you can see this is only accessible to the admin, and you can see all of the user informations for the profiles and if any of it changed or if there was a new registration request or any of that good stuff. Let's see. So then there's also the reports page, and from here you can generate reports by a date range. So as you can see, from the start to the end of the year, the trial balance is evened out. So we're looking good on that. It's balanced. You can also from here export as a PDF, and that'll save. And you can view any of these types of reports. So income statement, retained earnings, balance sheet, and you can you can export all of those as PDFs, and you can also email all of them to any user in the company. Let's see. You can also upload a profile picture to your profile. You can also, there's also a forgot password feature and a create new user feature. So you're prompted to input your email address and username, and then you're prompted to put in your security question answer, and you'll get sent a link that allows you to update your password. You can also create a new user. From here, you input your first, last name, email address, date of birth, and your address, and then a admin has to approve it. So let me just walk you through that process real quick. Just like this. So it says you'll receive an email once approved, and then from the admin view, there it shows up right there, and you can approve or deny it. Let's see. Yeah, I think that is all that I have to show you. Thank you so much.